Enakumpereza gundi.
Just wabula to send. So hopefully you downloaded the trading view and you logged in.
Yes, I did.
So you can view your chart like mine. However, yours is in red and whatever.
Yeah, Meta 5 yeno inaka icon aka.
No, I said trading view.
Yeah.
Downloaded
I
it.
downloaded it.
It's on your PC. You can see, you can access it.
Yes.
Okay, so you logged in everything, right?
I signed in. Meta 5 ngifune.
Yo Meta 5 tofayo ngenda gikusomesa kuba those are the ones that we are going to study about. Yeah, those are the ones that you are going to study about. So at first, let me go to default. I show you, so that mine looks like yours. Because I will reset it back. Let me just go back to apply defaults. So I think yours is like this, right?
Yeah. Though the background is white.
Oh, you can go here. Olaba kanoka arrow where the arrow is, okay? There is a setting, there is a icon for setting, you tap on it. You go to more settings. You tap there, then you'll see something like this. You're seeing it, eh?
But I haven't yet opened trading view.
Oh dear, you open it. You have to open it.
Okay, kateno screen TV. Okay, let me open.
No, it can't go off. Watch over kola. Olaba wali eri wogirako a window, eh? Like, okay, you first be there. Olaba waneno, eh? Olaba wano, eh? Here. For example, you are on kyemanyi oli ku gundi wali eri ku Google Meet, right? You are on Google Meet. So there is this whatever buno obusatu waneno waggulu waneno bulaga cancel that window, restore and minimize, okay? So kati genda awo oteekewo gundi eyimirirewo then okole ki oteeke oseparating windows zibeere nga nnya, yeah, zibeere either you make them two so that kyolaba eno kyokopingira eno.
Kasooke nkikole nkugambe.
Let me do this. Let's see it here. Default. Okay. So here down, I'm recording, yeah. Here down, there is something here. Olabakano, there is a setting here, eh? Here, you tap there. Have you tapped?
That's right, I did. Yeah, I've tapped.
You go to more settings down. One. See, there is a word more settings. Okay. Then there is a window that came then you go where there is template.
template.
You tap there.
Ndabako settings, then wansi kuliko symbol, status line, skills.
You go down,
numbers.
down. Awasemba wansi. Template. There is a word template.
Okay.
You tap on it. Then you apply defaults. Then you press OK.
Here in the template. Apply defaults. Then OK. White.
Apply defaults, then wali akagambo there is OK. You press on OK. Kakyali mu white background. I think my settings, it is mine. I set it as it should be like my PC, because my PC is in black. Okay, tell him white color, so I set it in a dark mode, so that's why it is like that. But it is okay.
Anyway,
it is fine as
it's
long.
okay.
Okay, so now okay, so this is you will also learn how you can change all these. You are also going to learn how you why is it freezing up? Learn how we can deal with this. Let me see.
Yeah, great.
Yes, please.
Bugulafu bonga buli different from mine. Obange buli like.
No, I'm going to teach you. Kati olaba, you go here. Olaba waneno ekigambo wekiri. Okay, olaba my cursor. Are you seeing my cursor? There is a word here up. Genda waneno wagulu. Ojalaba bagamba symbol search up here. Okay? Then otappingemu bajja leeta symbol search owandiikemu kino ekigambo kyolaba. Then after ogende otappinge ku kyokusatu kiriko Forex.com. Kijja beera ng'ekyange. Just because yours wakagigula is not yet set.
Symbol search.
You write this word that you're seeing for it to look like mine. Then you go to this one which has Forex.com gold stroke
Tekako XAUU.
SD.
It's capital letter.
Even if you type in small letter here, ijja kwewandika in capital.
Okay. Maza kiwandikamu.
Then olaba ebigambo ebize ebyako kasimbo bingi biri awo. Then genda ku kokusatu Forex.com. No, just wandiikamu ojja kalaba oba otapping on any that you're seeing there. But me, I use Forex.com. Okay, use Forex.com. Ojja kalaba kali awo after there ojja kalaba kaliko ekigambo Forex.com. Commodity CFD Forex.com. Okalabye? Have you seen it? Yeah?
Now I'm still scrolling down.
Share your screen. Share your screen. Olaba kati where there is some arrow katunulanga PC kaliko ka arrow akapointinze waggulu. That's where you tap and you do share. And you share. Kajja leeta Windows. Kajja leeta window. Ochuzinge window ki? Window ya Twegundi trading view. Omukwata omuteekera ajja kukwata screen. Have you got it?
I'm still looking for it.
You share your screen.
Let me first go.
Genda, no, you go to Google Meet. You go. Are you on Google Meet? Google Meet.
Mbadde nkyali ku bino ebyagundi.
Trading view. Kati trading view gireke ng'ekyali nzigule togiggalawo ogende ku Google Meet. You leave it running nga ka screen gyeri mu background, then ogende ku Google Meet. That's where they share the screen. Ngenda kulaga how you share the screen.
Kale, give me a few minutes.
Kyemanyi wansi ku gundi ku taskbar waliwo akagambo waliwo just leave the rest running like the way they are, then you go on your taskbar where you're accessing the browser you're accessing Google Meet from. You tap there, then that's where you're going to share your screen from. Ogenzeeyo.
Eyino Google Meet.
Tappingako ojje ku gundi ojje eno mu class. Olabawe
Ebandetedde Google Meet.
Oli kwerabaawo, oli kulaba nze ne screen, right?
Intadde mu search bar Google Meet. And I tapped there.
No, don't. Olaba. Okay, you go where we are having the session. Now, oli kulabira session.
Okay.
You go where you're viewing the session from.
Yes.
You're seeing everything from there, right?
Yes.
Once waliyo ka audio, waliyo ka video, waliyo n'akagamba akalaba nka laptop ka pointinze waggulu awo oba otapping okalabye, then womala otapping kajja kuleetera present something kajja you go on Windows, akagambo kali makati bakayita Windows. Windows, then ojalaba trading view nga bakuteereddewo XAUSD oba otapping oba oteeka ku trading view ojalaba okasimbo ka trading view oba otapping. That's where you should tap.
Okana akasooka kali afanananga gundi yo screen yo.
There is what you tap there. You tap there, then after tapping you say you send share. Okay. But sharing the gunde sharing the Google Meet yennyini. You've shared the Google Meet. You press you go back, you press the same way, the way I showed you, then sharing a gundi trading view. The other app gy'obaddeko ku window waliwo ogijja eno w'oba otappinga. Oba you can share the whole screen. Kirira wansi. There, yes, tap.
Yeah.
Yes, tap there. Yes. Tap there.
Tap.
Let's search what has it brought.
Let's say byembadde like the apps have been opening, like history.
Okay, kanti I think let me first.
Right up on my trading view.
Let me the can collection. Let me remove goal. Oh, let me see. you first soko and presenting you first and present soko stopping a presentation. Use the same way, the way you did. Tap there kuka screen or you share something else. Where you at? You go back. Naye yeno screen yetuli we wano olisomera really. Oba you okay, yes. You go wawalika TV okansolinge the presentation gyoliko. No. Down waneno wa pressing awawalika pause button nga olaba ka pause bubba bubiri buyimiridde. No? The third from your left.
Yeah.
The third from your left. Jukira waliwo ka microphone, waliwo ka TV, waliwo you move. The third. 1, 2, 3, yes. Press there. Stop sharing. Good. Now you do the same. You share the whole screen. Do it again. You share the whole screen. How when you know what happens, you share the whole screen. Ojalaba akagambo kagamba share. You go to entire screen. Akagambo you tap there on entire screen. Then okole ki or tapping ku entire screen or take share. Okay. Now I there. Okay.
So can take up of fun.
Okay. Kati another thing kyoba okola olaba ka video wekali where the microphone is, you tap where the volume where the video is ojeko ka video. Yes, soko ojeko ka video. No. That's a microphone. Yes, there, yes.
I tap it?
Yeah, tap and remove. Okay. So you go back to trading view. Go back to trading. You leave that on. You leave that on. Trading view togendeyo yino wano wansi kugundi ku taskbar there is an open window there. Ogijeko. You are going to open again. You just entering in. Haven't you downloaded the application yet? You open the application. You can minimize the window you are on at. Don't leave it. Just minimize it. It will run in the background. Ogende olaba bu arrow buli waggulu on your top right corner. There is a cancel, close, and there is also minimize or tapping ku minimize up. Go up.
Here.
Yes, minimize it. No. Yes. Minimize that whatever that yes, minimize it. Yes. Cut there. You go on. You didn't download the application. You go to the trading view, the application that you downloaded.
I didn't download the application.
Why not? Because I told you download it on your PC. You downloaded it on your phone.
Yeah. I signed in. Now come you're signing in.
Okay, katichiri wechiti. You go back to Chrome. Okay. Genda mugundi mo store. No, don't go there. You go to store. There is Microsoft Store there. Awali trading, awali trading, awali, yes, you go there. You you search, you search an app, trading view, download it. You search and download it. It is there. Down, you just go there. Down, yeah, tap on it. Open. Now I'm seeing open. That means you downloaded it already.
I downloaded it. I don't know. Like
No, you had to go to you had to go to Windows. Okalaba ka start Windows, then ogenda. So maximize that window that you are on. Maximize it.
This one for the trading.
Yes. Maximize it. Okay. Ye kano nga kakyali wano eno kakolawo ki? You soko ako kalina kuba nga kali hidden. Why is it up? Okay. Waliwo olaba ka audio kali waliwo awo a third whatever oba okatappingeko. It has to be hidden. This this Chrome. You first soko okole ki ogende ku trading view. You're there already, eh?
Yeah, maximized.
Trading view. Soko tapping ku trading view. Tap on it. Genda genda tap on it. Yeah, not the word, just mugundi. Mao in plain space, tap there. Without you right click, you see? Just right click. Because that side it is a full window, eh? Tewali kirala kyonna kiriwo, it is a full window. Oba kweyo window olabirako ne Google Meet. Olaba just trading view yokka. Kale tewali buzibu. So kyetuba tukola kandale. Kyetuba tukola kati I think you didn't soko tapping ku share screen now. Neera. Tap where there is a word share screen. Wansi. Kugundi ku Google Meet. Genda ku Google Meet back. Anti Chrome here, yes. Tap there. You go there. Genda yo.
Ni tapping there.
Anti gi maximizing ejje wano otulo. No, tapping waliwo awo. Tapping awo ejje. Then ogende mu share tulabe what's there. You go in share. You go in share screen. When you yes, tap there. You press on you press on stop sharing. Okay. That's okay. Now kati tuba tukola you share you press on sharing or tapping ku trading view. Ogende ku window waliwo akagambo window ogende ku trading view, yes. Window, then there is trading view or tapping. There is something like a TV muka black box or tapping out. You share that thing.
Even a black box.
But that's very simple. Tap on present. There is a word there is a word Chrome window entire screen or tapping ku window ona checking waliyo akagam waliyo trading view tebakamalayo kona naye it is a word just TV like nga onolaba ka icon ka trading view. Tap on it, then you press share. Yes, that is it. No, you went ogenze ku gundi, ogenze ku Microsoft Store. That's Microsoft Store.
Stop sharing.
Stop sharing. Ogende ku gundi. You share again. You press on share, present. You go on Windows. There is a word. That's Google Meet. That's Google Meet.
I'm going to give you the third one. Gender.
Ojayiga lwampaka osaaga. You go on the third one? No, just it's your first time. Naye ojja bimanyira. Now that is it. Trading view.
Singa toyogedde ekyo ekya TV, singa nakakuweereza dda.
Simanyi gwe oliko osa Apple Store. Your screen is still visible. Okay. Kati, now you're seeing, waliwo kase, now it is on, it is now on, katolabe, just efaanana ng'eyange naye yo, since mpya.
Naye olaba screen yange?
Your screen is being seen. Your screen is being seen. Kati olaba ako kagunda akaliwo obwo obugambo obuli wakati
Obugambo obuli wakati?
Yes, ku trading view gy'olaba.
Eri ku side oba
eyiyo on yours.
Okay.
Yes, don't remove it. You go on the word remove indicator. Nga obusoma obwo bugambo wansi waliwo akagambo remove one indicator. You remove it. Kagenzi. Then you press on got it. Okay. So this is now this is where we are at. Geno gye tugenda osomako. So I think tugenda kola ki tugenda olaba waggulu waliwo ebigambo AAPL, then wali akagambo new tab waggulu. You go and press on that X, you remove that new tab. Yeah, remove it. Okay. So this is what we are going to look at. Kati kyembadde lwaki nkuyisa wano eno mbadde njagala ogende olaba akagambo we kali ka AAPL woba tapping. That's where I say that you tap. Kati wange obadde olaba XAUU naye kati awo wabadde APPL lwakubanga it is an instrument eri awo at the moment. Kati wandiikamu XAUUSD. 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 Olaba the third one, it is there kyembadde nkugamba. The third. Olaba scroll, olaba wansi awo. You read the ebigambo ebyo ebize mu bungi. Otwale kaasawo onyige ku kokusatu. Wano eno. Here.
Kokusatu ndaba XAUSD gold.
Keeko, that is it. Tappingako. You tap. Kagenda faanana nga akange. You will see. It will look like mine. That's just that eyange erimu eno mu black, Mine erimu black. But I can put it in white, But I like black saga amaaso njagala something that is not bad to the eyes.
I also like black.
Ojja bitereeza tugenda soma. So kati awo nterezezaamu jangu tusome. You come we study. Tusome about this. So tugenda soma about we understand the trading view and the way how we can customize it. So Number one, tulina, let me put this here. Tulina this is now the chart. Again, tulaga nti kati tuli ku asset nga onoraba Euro USD. Kati oba oyagala ku learning about Euro USD ojja wano eno. Tugenda soma everything inside here. It is the lesson for today. Kubanga obiraba bingi. Kitegeera. So ekitegeeza tulina ebyo coveringa bingi, and of which most of these togenda kola ki togenda biwandiika just bya ku mastering ate biri so simple with the time of course ngenda kuba nkozesa eno ng'omanyi ngenze wano ngenda kola bwenti okitegeera so tugenda tandikira eno waggulu tusome ekiri eno waggulu tusome ekiri eno waggulu eno this upper side tusome we read what is in the right side, and we also read what is on the left side and bottom side. Okay,
I wish I could see your graph like big.
Really, isn't it big? Just put your screen on full. Just do one thing, just unshare your screen. You start seeing my screen full, because what I wanted is done. Because now the settings are now okay. You just unshare. Then my screen will be big on yours. Is it now big?
I'm going to go on your side.
It will go automatically.
I'm sharing.
You have unshared. You have stopped sharing, eh?
Yeah.
What has it brought?
It has brought my trading view like in full.
Now, you go.
I've minimized, but I'm seeing yours.
Okay, and even you can put, there is a word there, olaba my screen, then olaba awali oba is ku screen on your left there is a arrow that is bent, eh? You can tap there, then you put enter full screen.
Yeah, let me see.
Okalabye,
wenkanyize ate kanzaayo, but this is okay.
Okay. All right. So let me. So this is my first of all kansomewa neno kantandikire eno waggulu, because ne bino eno tugenda bisoma buno bwolaba bubaazi buno obukkirira obureedi obwa green obwaki tugenda busomako we shall understand them. Ne buno obuti buno bwolaba kati ojja kuba tobutegeera naye tugenda busomako everything.
Wagamba mbu obeera nga you've bought a base currency.
Now I just gave you I gave you a clue when we were beginning, but the more we enter, things start changing and you understanding one by one. So though however I told you that currency tunze that you of course zitunze naye understanding one candle nga olaba nti a single candle eno bagiyita batya, eno bagiyita batya, eno etunze bagiyita batya, kano akawansi bakayita batya, bwe batyo. That's how we are going to start. The upper one, what's its name? The other one, the whole candle, like that. Since you're just beginning up, so I have to teach you everything. Not you just coming. Nolaba ebintu nga binene bwe biti ate omuntu wakyusa n'akuteekerako bino n'obula. Kitegeera. So it is why tugenda soma ebintu byonna. So ekisookera ddala, then waliwo ebimu let me just move these canvas. I think let me remove events. I'm gonna help you also customize yours in your preferred color, in your preferred what? In your preferred color. Where is this one that I'm looking for? I think it is here. Okay, where tugenda kisomako ebimu wano eno tujja birabe kati let me start. You see this, I'm starting from here, eh? So in most cases, this, if you want to log out, this is where you tap, no tapping, and you see that your name is here. Then you start going through some settings, drawing panel. Now this word drawing panel, if you want to remove this, ng'oyagala kujjawo bino ebigambo ebiri wano, oba oyagala bizzaawo, awo wodda n'okola ki n'otappinga ne bidda. Naye kati nze njagala nga I like it when it is there because I usually use these drawing panels a lot. That's why I like when they are there. So here, this is where you can log in or log out, just in case if you want, or it's where you can buy premiums, where you look at your profile settings or referring a friend, something like that. They are not necessarily important, but they are just there. Or else if you want to give in an application setting, that's where you can tap and start doing what settings. So now for me, where you can see why it is in black, it's because when I tapped here and I went to application settings there, it brought this. In general, me, I tapped on system. So in system, me, I'm using this. Okay, that's why it is in system. It is in black. So if I put in light, it will look like yours light.
When you went in the system.
Yeah, when you go in the system, it will look like this, like yours. So the system is light. Yours is in a light system. So the theme you are using is light, that's why you're seeing things like this. Okay, so you can go there, you go to application setting, then you put in either system or dark. Okay, any of your any that you prefer, but for me that's the setting that I have. But I can show I will show you more about that. So most of these you don't usually use them. You can see they are all marked tab plus. You can they are already marked for them. I didn't change anything. I don't do what I don't record. I don't do anything in it. So I don't record or do anything in it. So that's why it's like that. But you can reset onto what? Onto default. You can set onto default. So let me just move it. Okay, so let's continue. So our hopefully you've understood that, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've understood.
So even for more, because it is just an application, for more clarity when how is it important to get familiar with it, you can go and check. You're free to go and check. You press on home, it will go back on new tab. Ejja ku new tab kati nga wakayingira. When you just joined, it was why isn't it loading very fast? So the new tab, it will bring in a new tab and it will show something there. Though mine is kind of loading slowly because it's already set. So here we have already looked why it's there.
Yes.
We have already looked there. Then here it is comparing. Compare. You want to compare this one, the one that is on, with maybe another one, but we don't usually use it.
That plus sign in the circle.
We don't usually use it, so it is not that necessarily needed.
Okay.
We don't use it, but it is there. Then these ones that you're seeing, it's what we call time frames, that the time frame that you want to be on. Okay. So for example, the time frame means each candle is calculated on what? On that, or it's a daily time frame. So that means every candle that you're seeing that ends, it is in a daily. It is a daily candle. Kati wolaba wogenda ku 4 hour time frame. Every candle that you're seeing, it is a 4-hour candle. So every candle to start and the previous candle should be worth 4 hours. Kitegedde? So that's why the time frames are there. Like even if you go to 30 minutes, this current candle, it is in 30 minutes. For it, it has to 30 minutes have to elapse before another one opens. Okay, so this is the time frame that is there. These are time frames. We shall also look about that in time to come for you to deeply understand these time frames. Like them, all these time frames shall understand them. And where do we get them? You go here. Okalaba, like when it is ending, we have some arrow looking down. So when you tap on it, you'll find them, a lot of them there. So bonobo arrows we will indicating, so these arrows that indicate those time frames. So there are some time frames that are they are paid. So for you to access a 40-second time frame, you have to pay for that chart. But for us, we are going to use this normal chart. So no, it is not paid, but so for us, we are going to use the days, these months, days, hours, and some minutes. They are the ones that we are doing what we are going to use in time. We shall see how we can deal with those time frames. So that's where you get those time frames. And another thing is we have this one. It's if you want your chart that indicates price movements. So these are just price movements, sales, buys, those are price movements. So if you want your price movement to be different, you can put on a line chart. But here we don't know how to, we can. This one shows the closure and open, or this line shows movements, but they don't show they only stop on closures of candles. So like the way you see it closed here, then so, but we have other price that went up. So this one shows closures, but we have more which are here, very many of them that are there, but for us we don't use them. Okay, for us what we are going to use, the line and the candlestick. Those are the ones that for us we shall be using. So even for you can tap there and you start the candles and you start the line. Okay, so we do have this. You remember I told you when we were opening up that you tap and you remove the word indicators. So this is where they are found. Indicators are found inside this area here. So this is where you type your indicators that you want, so that you do what? So that you can access. So for me, also we shall learn about these ones. So if you want to access an indicator like that, agenda nekola ki nejja notegeera sessions, but we are going to learn about these sessions kubanga they move in sessions, not anyhow, they move in sessions. So we shall learn about those sessions of market hours. Are you understanding?
Understand indicators wagamba when you're stopping, where you're risking.
No. Indicators, it is just it is a word that it is a tool that shows you something that you want. For example, if you want to know time, which session is in control, which session is this, there are indicators that show you, so that you don't go on every time counting. They are just there that will show you the time that you want. Okay, and there are some settings that you put, like the way we shall see. So into the buys and sells, they will come later, because the buys and sells we analyze where we are going to buy from, where we are going to sell from. We don't buy anyhow, we don't sell anyhow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we shall look into that. Then this I think I have never used this. But it is also part of the indicator stuff. So this one creates an alarm, this one creates an alarm. For example, nti oli so busy naye nga okoze analysis nga toyagala price ekuyiteko, nti ogenda beera online nti osetinze alarm yo wano nti price eno wejja netuukawo bweti bakwalaminge mwona wonooba oli, so that you come back, you take a trade. Then this one helps you. Oba osasudde, oba if you haven't paid, you use 12, 6, 3, this higher time from till daily, okuddayo emabega ku analyzing. It helps you to go back in time, okusalako candles zino nodda emabega nogamba nti kangende mu mwaka gwaki 2025 ntandikireyo ndabe market webadde ekola ki, webadde etambula. So that's the use of replay mode. So these ones, they help you to go back. For example, you were here, this one helps you to go back in your previous position, this one helps you to go back in your, also it helps you to go forward from your present position. For example, you were here, then you go back, kati oyagala kuddayo gy'ovudde ng'onyiga wano eno ng'oddayo. So it is just back and forward. So this one, it's a layout which helps. So most of these layouts help you to put in different charts. For example, ng'oyagala salamu bbiri nti waneeno wakati, waneeno wabeerewo gold, waneeno wabeerewo USD, GBP, USD, bwe batyo. This is what you use, layouts. But of course, most of the layouts, they are paid. So for us, we are going to use basic. We are not going to, they are not going to allow us to use that. Then these ones, this is just a word that this is just a word that is used maybe to save. So this one is automatically set. Sija kulimba, even on yours you can go and check, it is automatically set there.
ndowooza eyo nga waliwo gw'oyagala okuweereza kuba ndabako share download.
Yeah, ng'oyagala kola ki, waliwo gw'oyagala oweereza, so your name is already there. So kati waneeno, here it is like what is, because most of this, if you want to search for a tool that you want to use, so for example oyagala kukozesa gunbox, bagita batya, waliwo gunbox nekuleetera yino. So kati mu kifo gwe ekyokuchuzinga okujja wano searchinga buli saawa, I will show you how we can put them in a line nti kati your most used tools in analyzing ng'osobola obiteeka waneeno nti wobwagalidde ojja kujja okole ki, obukozese w'oyagalidde. So this one helps you to search for a tool that you're not seeing. So for example, you want to search for a star Fibonacci. This is they are function tools, basically tools. Okay, so the tools which are here, we are together to later. Then this one, if you want to do a settings, you can tap there, you do settings. You can tap also down here, you do settings here, more settings, you come back there. Even when you are on your chart here, then you right click on your cursor, it will bring in settings. You go there, it is just the same thing. So then here it is a full screen. Oba oyagala kujjako binene ebigambo byonna osigaze only this chart otapinga wano bwoti, ng'olaba screen eyo yebeze. Then oba oyagala kuddayo
osigaza bino ebyawaggulu
tobiraba, oba olaba bulabi chart yonna namba. Kati oba oyagala kuddayo, waliwo akagambo on your keyboard, on your left upper corner, there is a word there, ESC. That's where you, is it ESC? Really? Over you tap Control and ESC over F11. You tap on F11. You tap on F11 to exit on your keyboard to go back to normal. So this is the F11. You back to what? To your normal size. It come out to normal size. Then this camera you're seeing. Maybe you want to sorry. Is it like this? So you can tap here on the camera code, then no, either you download that image, you copy, or you copy the link of the image, or you open in a new new tab. That's its use. Then here when you want to trade directly from here, but you are not going to use that, then here maybe you have nga ababali ku TikTok kontingenda posting. So here for us we publish, but we are not going to use that. Then if I'm sloping, there waneno, these are prices, price values. Kati nga wonogamba nti kati nga wonogamba nti ngenda kulaba Uganda shillings, how much is Uganda shillings against the dollar, price tag was gained obeera kugambe nti kati right now ojasanga kalayini kali wano nga waliwo a little bit of something like this, ojalabawo what we price value at that exact moment. Kitegedde, these are price values. Then we do have this is a watch list. Okay, kati eno watch list ekuyambako okuteekawo up gundi your assets z'oba ogenda okozesa in a long time. This you see this cursor, so here waneeno here, these are your assets was like that. Then waneeno you can go there, then you'll be doing what, you add symbols or your assets. Then you can set to see in advanced view. You can go there, and if you want to see all of them like this to give you full details of them, then you go back here, you can tap and you do what, you set. Then here so remember I told you this one creates alerts. Okay, so that when you want to see your alerts, you go here, then you see them there. Okay, even here you can set alerts. Then this one is this one gives you what, gives you also data. Okay, gives you data on an asset that you are on to at that moment. Then this one helps you to see messages of people that that are interacting at that moment. So katinga olaba banene, but for us, for those we don't use them, they are of no importance to us. Also these
on the right wano we tulabye gundi prices ogambye price value. Is price value the same as bid price?
No. Price value refers from bid and ask price. Ask price is a value at which they are sell. Ask price is bid and bid price and ask price is a value at which they are able to sell you or to buy. It is a price value at which you are going to buy an asset at or sell an asset at.
Okay.
You see the difference? Yeah? It is a price value at which you're going to buy or sell. Remember nakugambye nti bakuteekamu bu spreads okulaga bwe banafunira profits. So because balesemu ka gap, kitegeeza otogenda kugulira ku original price naye nga ogenda gulira either above or you are going to sell below that price value. Okitegeera, so that ka price value ke bajampinzeemu ge magoba gaabwe. Okay. So, but this one, this price value is the general price value of that asset.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Then here we don't usually use these. So bineno just to ebili obeze ebyo jagendayo byerabire obirabeko mwenyini olabe if they are important, but they are of no much important to us. Okitegedde? They are not of much importance to us. Bino byonna bino ebiri wansi, I don't use them. Then if you have a problem, this is where you can go on help center oyogere nabo. But as I told you, this this application is very well set, so you won't find any difficulties that will make you go to what, to help center, to the help center nga onolaba nti sente osindise sente ku MTN ziganya otuuka so olina okubeera ba service center. No, this one it is very good. that you don't need to do that. So that means that we don't have a reason, a concrete reason, or a reason to go to the help center. So kaneno tukalabye this one down here, right? Era tugendagendayo tusomeyo mu settings eyo because gye tuzungire nnyo. Then waneno tulina time zones, okay? So what do I mean by time zones? Time zones, katolaba in China almost saa kati ziyinza okubeera bwakakya, kitegeera. Mu America bugenda beera lwaggulu oba even zikyali saa misana. Mu England kati that time difference okitegeera kyetukozesa waneeno ne tujja ku time zone tutegeere tusetinge time zone mu budde bwe tulimu. Era kati bw'ofuna sente n'ogenda mu America ogenda kujja waneeno setinge time mu budde bw'olimu mu America mu time zone. Kati bw'otaapinga waneeno ekuleetera time zone wonna w'oba oli. Kitegeera kusinziira time zone mu nsi gy'oba oli. Kati tulina mu New York, bw'ogenda mu New York ziri ssaawa 9 olaba waneeno wansi zaakawera ssaawa 10. Ate bw'odda mu Chicago ziri ssaawa 9. Bw'oddawo walala kankulage tulinawo South Africa, Johannesburg, not so? Ziri ssaawa 4. Kitegeeza ffe Johannesburg eri behind 1 hour. Ffe ziri ssaawa 5 naye bo ziri ssaawa 4. Zitegeeza their time zone is 1 hour behind us. Oba okategedde? So that's where we change. So kati ffe tuba since tuli mu Uganda tugenda kubanga tetukozesa ate Uganda tuba tugenda kukozesa Nairobi kubanga Nairobi and Uganda biri the same.
Akane jagenda nkakyuse nani?
Ojagenda mu Nairobi kati Nairobi ojja gisangawo wansi ng'eri UTC +3 otaapingewo kwe kudda mu budde obwaffe. Ojja zisanga nti Nairobi ziri ssaawa 5:1 ne mu Uganda, so we shall use Nairobi time. UTC +3. Kati waneeno these ones we don't use them. They are just there, but they use them, but for me I don't use them. So of course I can't. I don't use them. Waneeno star. Katolaba waneeno kano katuulu kanene akatambula kentambuzayo. Weekali because naaka accepting obeerawo naye oba toyagala kabeerewo after you marking your favorite, because these are my favorite, you can remove it by tapping on this star nga kavaawo. Oba okagala kakomewo ng'otaapinga nga kakomawo. Kitegedde? But I will show you how you can mark that. So we go here up. So kati olaba waneeno this one oba oli ku deleting objects. So for example I have put that object there naye njagala gijja mu kifo kutappinga right click ngende ku delete. If I have many I just come here, delete, remove one object which is there. Oba if I have an indicator nga gyenataddewo ojja biraba biri waneeno, remove one drawing and the indicator, or remove one drawing ojja biraba drawing mmeka ze wakateekako. So for me the previous sessions zetubadde nazo almost I had almost 300 drawings 300 drawings during the session. So here I just come here, I remove all the drawings, chart nefuuka plain. So it is the use of this trash can. Then this one kaneno kakuyambako hiding a drawings. So for example they are there but they are just hidden. You just come and hide them. Weziri naye ziri just hidden. So oba ozagala zikomewo you tap there nga zikomawo, oba oyagala ziveewo ngo removing. Then this one it's a lock, nti olockinze instruments nti weziri kangeze otadde awo o marking the instruments so nyingi, several instruments. then you come here you lock all drawings okitegeera nti kati ne bw'onoojja okukola bw'otyo otaapingemu zigenda kubeera ziri locked mu kifo kyekimu ekyo tezivaawo okay ne woba oze mu delete okudeletinga nti no deletinga remove 3 biba bivaawo naye kati waneeno oba otambuza chart biba bisigaddewo kati wekasigalawo everything that you put it will be locked. No, actually when you put something you have to lock it, but that's not really what necessary. So we shall see way forward. I'm just teaching you the use of these tools that are there. Ate ne kaneno tekakoma kutambuza chart. Even if you put your drawing here, let me see, you have put it here, ate nokatambuza ne kadda wano mu kifo ate tomanyi kifo kyennyini original spot w'okajja osobola otaapinga wano ne kadda mu original spot. That's the use. Oba even ne kaddayo gye kava so it is the kind bwe buno nti osobola okuzzaayo nodda like that, forward and backward. Okitegedde?
Biringanga gondi what?
Keep drawings. Keeping drawings, I have never kept any drawing. Maybe if this one I haven't. It's not that important. I don't use it because it's not that important. Then tulina ka magnet kaneno katuyamba to mark exact areas. So for example, you want to mark here waneeno oba wano waggulu kwaka akantu kaneno kankateeka kaneno mu white, oyagala markinga waneeno oba ka straight line wano okuba ko high of this ka thing, the highest point of this area you want to put it there. Naye oba tolina magnet kagenda kuba nga kakusumbwa nti ojja markinga bifugo ojja laba omarkinze bituufu, naye oteekako magnet ojja giteekako there immediately ekuteekere ku the exact point we kaakoma. Then tulina waneeno weak magnet ne strong magnet. Kati strong magnet yo kasita okwatako bwoti eba etambulira buli wantu, kitegedde. Naye kati oteekako weak magnet yo oba osobola ogitambuza nti newobeera eno waggulu ogitambuza paka wekasemberera okumpi ne ka instrument koba oyagala. That's the use of weak and strong magnet. So deletingeyo kano, sorry. Why is it? Okay, so let me delete this. So we do have this. This one's like zoom in. There. Zoom in. So tapping there like that. Then no kolachi. No zooming in a simple area like that. You can just do zoom in like that. So ojasanga zoom out tell you, but as long as you zoom in nga kafo kakolachi kajja. So that's the zoom in. But we can go back. So that if you want to resume in, then you can do what? Zoom out. Yeah, oteekawo there no drawing out a box. Nga katono we kati ekifo specifically oyagala ozoominga. Then wotayo cursor like that kajja kwezoominga. Akezoominga. Kitegedde? Then zoom out nga kaddayo. But that's not really good. Osobola okola bwoti. But for me, I usually come here. Olaba ku mouse waliyo kuliko akapiira akatambula kosobola otambuza. Do you have a mouse? You buy one, it will be easy for you. A mouse. You buy gula wireless. You buy wireless is much better. Just so jakubera incurring costs of batteries or ogula batteries. But you can buy any of your choice, either wire or wireless. Byonna bijja kukola. I don't think nti kalinga ka mutwalo gumu kuba ka mutwalo gumu kitundu something like that. No mami, leave. You go to mami.
But traders wanaona bakozesa mouse.
Yeah, because it is easy. Eba nungi. You try it out, you will see how good it is. She will put a PC now and dump it. So that's the use of this kawan, but I don't really necessarily use it. Me, I don't use it. I usually just come on my nentambuza kali akapiira akabaako akatambula nenkola fasta awo bwe so naye nga the other way is much simpler kuba sikakozesangako, it is just there. I rarely use it. I just feel difficult in it on using it. So we are just studying how these things work. How these things work. So we also have this measure. For the measure, you can just leave it because we don't use it. We rarely use it. We don't use it. The measure, we don't use it. We do also have this at one end, of course, so manint. If you want to type something, that's where you tap. Then you type one end. If you want to annotate tools, or you want to annotate tools, for example, you want to text, you want to have a word with the text. For example, if you want to put here, let me remove this. If you want to put it here, then from there waneno wandika ekigambo nti omuntu kagenzi. Let me I think put back to my color, but of course in no kuyigiriza how that color works. Okay. So I was like ndoteeka wano on that price ogendo ogiraawo marking, then owandike we buy from there. Omuntu aba amanyi nti oba ogambye kaneeno price kigambo kiri awo, oba wali odrawinzeeko boy nodrawinga kasitatu k'omulenzi otaddeko emikono, then notandika osindika eno ka line eno wansi nowandikayo head ate nga owandise ka line kali eno. So kati omuntu wajja ku head atunuulira ako ka line n'alaba wadi weerye. So it is the use of this. It is the use of that. So they are very many. They are very, very many. So you can go kwaneno icons bulinga bu stickers boyagala, like buy bichi bono yagala, wait time. In the future there you will see how to use them, but me I don't use them, but I'm teaching how you to see them. There are very many, the stickers, the smileys, all that, they are there, but for us we don't use them. I don't use them. So we do have a lot that are there, but I don't use them. I'm just teaching how they are there, because kati nze mbulira mu trading, what's the use of this? Kamim catch, it's nothing. So it is just there. Kati here is the point. So kati wano nkusomeseza this one kaneno ka price note, nti price oyagala price eno, price exact price eri awo, kati noteeka awo bwotyo nogamba at that price. Omuntu aba akitegeedde the same. Oba nojja nopininga, you pin there nogamba that's the destination price wejjaawo. But we don't use that. Okay, you can add a text nti omuntu wajja nga agamba nti that's the point, naye it is of no use. We do have also these brushes, highlights, but I'm just requesting that you go on trading view, then you see all these ogendeyo okutapping olabe omugaso, so in future you see what to use. So for us in this area we are going to use the path, we are going to use the rectangle because of laba kati. If you want to mark as your favorite or marking, there is a arrow here okalaba add favorite kasta that's where you tap. Then we do have also the arrows, what that's where we mark the hour stars. So no one osobola tapping here, but me I don't use that. I don't use it. So every time you tap on favorite, it will come here. Okay, it will come here. But for it to come here, you have to make sure that you also have accepted this in the Nekanoka markings, and it has to be seen. We have looked at here, and also here we do have forecasting. You're expecting buyers, you're expecting sellers, and also this one measures the price range. From here up to here, what's there? So it is the price range. Nti okuva wano paka wanene waliyo 10. Kangeze waliyo 10. So it is the range between one point to another. So measuring what range is there. Okay. Then these ones, of course, in our when I talk about range, of course you can understand. So but we don't use that. We are going to only use price range. Then position, whether you're selling, where there is this S is a short position, where is this long, it is a long position. S means a short means sell, then long means buy. Then
Short means sell.
no, on when you add in favorite, whatever S means shorting. Of course, somebody short is down, going down. Somebody long abera agenda waggulu. Okitegera. So they just brought that up to show you the names of these tools. By the way, they just upgraded it, but for us in our era, it wasn't there. So you would just mark and put and be like, okay, it is now buying or selling. You just said you could just know, because you could know by the stop and the target, then you'll be like, that's a buy position. So these ones indicates where price is going to buy from, where you're going to put your stop loss, and where you're going to put your take profit. But we shall learn about that later, how we can use that together. Soma because the Fibonacci's we don't use them, the Elliott wave, or most of these we don't use them, and this and also these ones we don't use them. Kati gwe singa tewansanga, the way you're blessed to meet me, bali bagenda kusomesa Fibonacci retracement, osome Fibonacci zino eno naye ng'agamba mazima tekuli sente, bakusomesa zi gun box naye ng'agamba mazima tekuliko kintu, bakusomesa zi fibu all these naye nga they are of no importance. Kitegedde? Bakusomesa zi Elliott wave naye nga they are of no importance. Nga nawe tomanyi because nga biri awo just naye nga si bya mugaso. So we also have these ones Fibonacci's twazisoma. We don't use them that much. Then on lines, of course lines we use trend line. We do have a trend line. Katika trend line kekano nti waneno oba ogenda markinga nti maybe that maybe when we reach on we're reaching a moments of learning structure, we bugenda obeera so effective, ogenda obutegeerera ennyo. Then we do have horizontal ray. You can go and nolaba how to use this, but then we shall pick what we shall use. We do have a horizontal ray and a trend line. With the time we shall learn how to use these and you will see. Then we do have also these dots, cross, arrow, demonstration, eraser. Kati bineeno bibeera kuki? Kati olaba kakaasa kange kaneeno, kakaasa kange kaneeno I chose a cross. Kati wembeera waneeno ka cross ke kabeerawo. When choosing a dot, it's a dot that happens when ngenda ku chart okalaba ka dot. When ngenda ku arrow, it's an arrow that is always there. When ngenda ku demonstration, kabeerawo ka arrow naye nga kalinga aka demonstrating mu kasaako. When ngenda ku eraser, then that means when mba nkubye waneeno something, for example, if I draw something, okay, I can bring in an eraser, I erase. Is it this? No, here, when data kano kagundi, kano baka kaliwo ka brush, nempandiika, I can bring in the eraser. Is it an eraser really? What did I bring? I think because it has where it works. Why it also works as because I thought it is not deleting away. Over its words, it deletes words. Let me try.
Then obanga osobola ekyo n'oba tukozesa erase osobola okugirira.
It is not necessary. We just use it. May I use this one because it is what I want. Kenjagala. Then kaneno it is just a logo that is there. Can just ka logo kagundi just in case ka logo. Tuokatapingamu kajja kutwala walala. If in case you want to subscribe. If in case you want to subscribe, wotapinga okajja kutwala somewhere. So let me continue. Otapinga ono kajja kutwala ku subscriptions. Maybe you want to nga onolaba nti x waliwo osasulira ne bakuwa ka blue tick kati womarkinga wogenda no subscribinga they upgrade you up ne bakuwa also chats nti you can be on 30 minutes nogenda nokebera way back in 2000 mu 2000 but ate wobeera ku eno chat eya normal tosobola gendayo ng'oli ku 30 minutes. Then tulinawo what else kano nkasomeseza kano. Then wano wansi tulinawo this nga olaba 2020 what 2020 what. So every time frame gy'obeerako eba ekulaga nti okuva 2025 okuva candles okuva wano paka wano za mwaka gumu. So omwaka omupya gutandikidde wano eno okitegedde gutandikidde wano eno so tukyagenda mu maaso. Then wodda wano eno ku daily ojja laba ennaku ze zirabika. 4th July happened here, was from here. 4th July started here, then it ended here, then another day peaked in, like that. So in the days, in the whole week we had 1, 2, 3, 4. In days 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, really? There have to be 4. So inside there, I think there are some. Eno wagulu ku time frames dear. When I talk about daily, weekly, 130 minutes of omanya nti ntapping eno wagulu. Kitegedde? So kyekyo. So kati this one shows you time obudde obwo bwennyini. So kati ogamba oli ku 30 minutes ojja kujja nti every 30 minutes to form here. Every 30 minutes to form here. It has to do what? Candle happening every 30 minutes. It has to happen. Erina okubeerawo erina okufominga ne wano wansi obudde bujja kweraga nti eno kando ya happenings ku ssaawa ku Friday nga 10 July 2026 nga ssaawa 9. So yewedda mu ssaawa ssaawa 3. Okay, mwe twabeereddewo n'eddakiika 3. Essaawa eyo we yawedde we twafunidde another candle eyaleese essaawa 3:30. Wano we tudda wano eno ne zifuuka 4. Okitegedde? Every 30 minutes. So that's what happens wano eno wansi. So I think that's it. Then wano eno, this one, it's also the same thing. Eba ekuyamba okumanya price gy'oliko, which pair. This is a pair over asset gy'oba oliko. Then this one wa wano waggulu wano eno wano ndikulaga what is on the screen. Sinyize anywhere. Whatever you see, let me go in plain sight. Kaneno kolaba wano eno waggulu wano eno. Kano kalaga asset gy'oliko. Kano kalaga time frame, change interval gy'oliko time frame. Kaneno kalaga a broker that is providing you the data. Kitegedde? This is a broker that is providing you this data. Kati wano eno, this one means the high, This one means the open, the high, the low, close. Buno bwolaba OHLC. But we shall study about that. Kati wena kugamba nga nti open ojja tegeera wetunatuuka okusoma about these okitegedde about these. So buno bubaawo on that particular what, on that particular candle that you are on to. So for example, if I'm on this candle ojja laba price wano waggulu ekyuka nti wona otapinga wano eno ojja laba price waggulu awo ng'eriwo nga wocheckinga nekiri wansi nga bikwatagana. Kati eno kando wano waggulu wali waggulu erese 1510 wocheckinga ku open wano eno ojja laba also 1510 olaba wano eno kanteeke mu black ojja laba 1510 kitegedde. So we are going to also learn about the open and the closings okubitegeera obulungi kubanga nja kugamba it opened, it closed, that's the high, that's the low, then obule, but it is just the beginning of us understanding these things. So we are going also to understand the high, the open and the close. Kati number as long as you have somebody to explain. This is the most simplest area. The most simplest area to understand this. Then another thing is katugende to setting our chart in our preferred way of how we want it to be. So osobola otapinga wano, osobola otapinga wano eno wansi nga we nagambye, oba osobola right clicking on your cursor. Then ogenda ku settings. So kati notandikira wano eno mu symbol ebe kulaga candles. What are the candles? These are the ones that we are seeing out here. Or choosing which body that you want. Kati nze ngenda choosing kubanze of course body when it is wano eno wolaba green, it means the bullish candle. Okay, then wano eno red ekitegeeza bearish candle. So kati the body of the bullish candle tugenda soma about bullish and bearish sort of file. So kati the bullish candles of course nkozesanga is indeed blue. Usually use, I think, let me check. So now osobola ogendayo otandika ochekola ki ocheckinga ebibyo obeere ng'osettinga. So that's it. That is it. So can checking mine because chooses mbadde nkozesa which color. I've been using black and white, so white and choosing a white. That no, is it really white? You know, color kano little bit of kind of white. Then bearish, choosing a black. Then borders, we shall learn about the borders. Of course, in the borders, but then choosing a slight black. Kati nze ngenda kazaayo olabe how it will look like. Borders, but then choosing a little bit of that black. Is it black? Kani no kabadde kabeera wano.
Black jukira background yo ya black.
No, kagenda kyuka ojja kalaba. Then this that, then in a black, then the wicks tujja also zisoma. Wicks zibadde zibaza black, then nebadde baya black. So the UTC time, of course, yo twagisomyeko mami mpaako charge okumenya charge. So that was the color. Otudda ku lines, me instrument, it's a logo. The logo ebeerako. So kalogo wolaba waneno kalogo ke kano This is the thing of the logo. The title, title ebeerako the name, symbol and the name, oba name, symbol. Njagala nnyo symbol. I always use the symbol. Kati nga wonna olaba symbol of a symbol of the dollar is USD. Okitegedde? So that's the symbol. Then the chart lines, of course, stela zaagala. Chart lines, stela zaagalako. Back change, stela zaagalako. Background. Ibiri itya. So kangende ku lines, overlapping labels, plus buttons, countdown to bars. Then tulina, so me I'm just changing mine, high and low bid and canvas, background. Now, serabira background yange kangirabe. Wabula background eno ngikozeseza for so long. No, you don't have to. You can, but why would you expose yourself too much? Too much exposure. Gradient. I like solid. Which one can I take? No. So when you osobola okyusiza background ya gundi yo, That's the color. Crosshair. Text. Trading, velocity bikozesa, think lines. Symbol, value name.
Yeah, Chris.
Wanji?
Wano wetutuuse. Twetaaga ne tubisoma awo nga ku makya obwa lunch time. Nesaawo obwongo bubeera bukooye.
Okay. Yes, it is okay, just that mu maaso awo nyinza kuba kati kuba lately mbadde ndi waka naye mu maaso awo nyinza okufunayo ku contracts kati emisana kijja kuba nga kizibu ewalamu naye nja kufuna the way forward obanga lwaggulu most mbadde mbikwasaganya lwaggulu naye nja kufuna way forward since tezinaba kujja contracts I will keep on. It's okay? That is now kuja we shall have afternoons. Just that since today it was a Sunday, so it was I was unable, and the other Friday, of course. And yesterday power issue. Okay, I think that's it for today, Banga. well, at least I can give you some time. You go kato sokoto, since obadde
Yeah,
muko tired.
no, tomorrow I have to go through again. Osomeseza one by one era nziryamu mbitunuulire.
Okay, I think you have a good night. We'll link up tomorrow. Then tomorrow, I think in the morning I will. Okay, by tomorrow I will have completed the course. Then I will share it in the channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in the morning time I will be better revising.
Okay, kale. Okay, have a good night.
Good night. Thank you.